Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Square Point of Sale to start accepting in-person payments and managing your retail operations, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete POS configuration. Step 1. Download the Square Point of Sale app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Step 2. Open the Square POS app and log in using your Square account credentials that you created during registration. Step 3. Grant the app necessary permissions when prompted, such as access to your location, camera for scanning, and microphone for voice features. Step 4. Connect your Square card reader. If you have a Square reader, plug it into your device's headphone jack or connect via Bluetooth following the on-screen instructions. Step 5. Set up your first item or service in the inventory. Tap on Items in the menu and select Create Item. Enter the item name, price, SKU, and any other relevant details. Step 6. Organize your items into categories for easier navigation during checkout. Create categories like food, beverages, or services depending on your business type. Step 7. Configure your payment settings by navigating to Settings and selecting Payments. Choose which payment methods you want to accept, such as credit cards, debit cards, or contactless payments. Step 8. Set up employee accounts if you have staff members. Go to Team Settings and add team members with appropriate permission levels for accessing the POS system. Step 9. Test the system by processing a test transaction. Select an item, tap Charge, and process a payment to ensure everything is working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.